Hello, my name is Charles. I'm the co-founder of the Moff. Moff is a super bot that can enable many functionalities for your server. We all know that Web3 asks for marketing and the community power. So we know that to do marketing and build your fan base is very hard, and that's where Moff is going to help you. Moff has a mission to supercharge your Discord server, so it will help the community operators with their day-to-day tasks and understand their growth and making a plan. We have our Twitter account, so go follow us, and also you can invite Moff now to play around, to have some super interesting functionality to help you operate your community. So what can Moff do? So first of all, the snapshot. Everyone loves snapshot. It can record what the server's been doing, and also record the AMA, the attendance for the AMA. So it's super helpful, super useful if you want to track in the community performance. For example, in this case, you can start snapshot for the channel, AMA channel, and when it's up running, you will see how many people attending that, and also you can stop the snapshot anytime you like. It's even working for the Twitter if you want. So if you want to start a Twitter Space snapshot, the second function is called Create Invites. So you can select any channel that you like to invite people to join. For example, if you are hosting events, you can just create invites for that event server or event channel. For example, you can create invites for Let's Have a Conversation channel. How many people have been invited using this link, and what's their performance, what's their behavior? So that's really handy when you do some marketing. The third one, the members can click that and connect and bind their social and gaming account. Last but not least, we are providing a dashboard for the community manager that you'll be able to interact with the dashboard, and you will be able to see like the new members for today, and total message for today, and active members for today. You will be able also to track in like 30 days and long if you have the data longer. So for the Discord operators, you're able to see how this community working. And so that's the 4 function currently. Moff is more than a Discord bot. As you can see in phase 1, we already developed the snapshot function, create invites function, ID mapping function, and a community dashboard that's not fully fledged, but we are still developing it. Back to phase 2, we're gonna be a cross social media platform. For the phase 3, we will become the data-driven platform. Once we have the community data, we can provide insights, we can provide tactics for the new communities to better run their campaign, for have more clear targets for their audiences, and also help them to have this competitor analysis, partnership analysis, and also there will be a more marketing and strategic tactics to help them to play around with, and there are much more to do. So Moff is more than a Discord bot. There will be many applications, and also it's gonna be a platform, an ecosystem for the newcomers, for the new community to use to help them grow their community, grow their fan base. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.